Donald Trump to be sentenced over hush money case, but the judge has signaled no jail time. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News
Welcome to
Report,
Links
and we'll be
007
right back with the
TV
full
News
details to
Report,
come.
providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A judge has ordered that Donald Trump will be sentenced on January the 10th in relation to his hush money case in New York, less than 2 weeks before he is set to be sworn in as the United States President. New York Justice Joan Merchan signaled that he will not sentence Trump to jail time, probation, or a fine, instead give him an unconditional discharge, and wrote in his order that the president-elect could appear in person or virtually for the hearing. Trump had attempted to use his presidential election victory to have the case against him dismissed. Trump was convicted in May of 34 felony counts of falsifying business record related to a $130,000 payment to an adult film star, Stormy Daniels. The charges relate to an attempt to cover up reimbursement to his ex-lawyer, Michael Cohen, who in the final days of the 2016 election campaign paid off the adult film star to remain silent in an alleged sexual encounter with Trump. The president-elect has denied all wrongdoing and pleaded not guilty, arguing that the case was an attempt to harm his 2024 presidential campaign. Donald Trump will be allowed to continue the presidential transition process to execute that vital duty of presidency, the statement said. There will be no sentencing and President Trump will continue to fight to prove his innocence. In his latest motion against the case, Trump had argued that the case would hang over his presidency and impede his ability to govern. Trump had initially unsuccessfully argued the case against him ran foul of a Supreme Court ruling on presidency immunity. In July, the county's top court ruled that the presidency have broad immunity from criminal prosecution for the official actions they take while in office. However, last month, Justice Merchan ruled that Trump's hush money conviction was valid. While falsifying business record is a punishable offense in the United States and you could get up to 4 years, there is no minimum sentence and incarceration is not required. Donald Trump is currently said to be the first convicted felon to serve in the White House. He may attempt to appeal against the conviction after his sentencing. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.